Welcome to Veloz Automotive channel. This time we want to review 2018 Acura Rlx. 4 years ago, Acura introduced the 2014 RLX as a completely redesigned flagship luxury sedan. It was longer and wider than the RL it replaced, giving potential buyers more of a reason to choose the RLX over the smaller TLX. Acura even offered an all-wheel drive hybrid version that combines strong power with commendable fuel efficiency. But despite being generally comfortable, spacious, reliable, and efficient, sales never really took off. In fact, at least in the US, every single year since 2013 has been worse for RLX sales than the previous one. At the rate it's currently selling here, Acura will be lucky to break 1,000 units for the year, far behind the next worst seller, the Jaguar XF. Instead of packing up its toys and going home, though, Acura has given the 2018 RLX a makeover. It's not a full redesign, but considering how drastically the front end has been changed, a lot of people might be fooled into believing it has been. Up front, the RLX gets Acura's new corporate grille, restyled LED headlights and running lights, a more aggressive-looking hood, and chrome-trimmed air intakes. Out back, there are redesigned LED taillights connected by a chrome strip, as well as new chrome exhaust tips. The design still isn't what we'd call attractive, but at least it's distinctive. Some people will love it and others will hate it, but at least they'll have an opinion on it. Considering how crowded the mid-sized luxury sedan segment is these days, standing out is arguably more important than looking the best. To help the RLX stand out, Acura is also doing its best to push the Sport Hybrid version. There's still an entry-level front-wheel drive version with all-wheel steering, but Acura didn't even bring those to the press drive. Instead, it wants to focus on the all-wheel drive hybrid version and its NSX connection. The RLX Sport Hybrid doesn't get the NSX's exact powertrain, but Acura does say it's based on developments from the NSX. A few of the parts used are even said to be the same, and both cars are powered by 3 electric motors and a V6 engine. So even though it's not quite a 4-door NSX, the NSX connection isn't pure PR fluff. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.